another English class. Today we are going to work on the farm animals and their babies. Are you ready? Excellent. But first, if you remember, we always start with a song.
1, 2, 3. Good morning. Welcome to the farm. Come meet our friends. They all live in the barn. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. How do you do? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, Mr. Sheep. How do you do? Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Good morning, Mrs. Donkey. How do you do? Do-do-do. 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 Watch out for the tractor. I think I saw a snake. Where? Dancing by the lakes. Do-do-do. 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 Good morning, Mr. Horse. How do you do? Do-do-do. 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 Good morning, Mr. Pig. How do you do? Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Do-do-do. 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 Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
Okay, everybody. Now we are ready to start. As I was saying, today we're going to talk about the farm animals and a very important and exciting topic, their babies. Have you ever seen a cow with its baby? Excellent. Well, that baby has a specific name. Baby cows are called calves. And today we're going to learn more about this. So, I'm going to leave you with a very short video about the farm animals and their babies. See you at the end.
Cow. This is a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows live in a barn. Duck. Here is a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducks live in ponds and lakes. Turkey. This is a turkey. Baby turkeys are called poults. Turkeys are raised on a farm. Chicken. This is a chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens are kept in a coop on a farm. Sheep. Here is a sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep live in a sheep pen. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit. Rabbits live in burrows. Pig. This is a pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pigs live in a pigsty. Goat. Here is a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats are kept in a pen. Cat. This is a cat. Baby cat is called a kitten. Cats live in homes and farms. Horse. This is a horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses live in a stable. Dog. Here is a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Dogs live inside a kennel.
Excellent, everyone. Well, those were the farm animals and their babies. And this was it for today. But remember, you need to keep practicing your vocabulary because we're going to use it at the Zoom classes. Okay? This was it for today's video and for this week. So, see you on the next video. Bye!